Hello everyone and welcome back to Slime Rancher. Again. I don't know why I said it with that voice. It was on YouTube. There. So, today, I'm not sure what I want to do, but I have a little idea. So, what's happening with the chickadee? Well, that's not a chickadee, but I don't care, okay? Whoa. Don't like the bridge. It's sick. Be gone, hexagon. Okay, that was weird. Oh, God, go away. Ah, he bit me. Go away. Ah, shoo. He's gone. Be gone, hexagon. Go away. Whoa, fell down. That's not very nice. Here. Oh, God. I like the tar ornament. It's real nice. Well, in the comments last time, someone said I missed a box. I watched where he said I missed the box, and I really missed a box. Oh, God, run. Whee! Okay, so I think the box is probably still gonna be there, but I'm not sure, so let's just go see. How many tars are there? I guess a lot of tars, though. Go away, bunch of tars. Ah, God, stinky tar. Are they all gone? I swear to God, if you make another tar. Ow. Okay. I am spook. Oh, rad. Oh, more rad. Aha, yum yum. Yum yum num num. Locked treasure pod. There was the. I don't remember what was it called. There was the. The crystal slimes. Yeah, that's what I meant. I can't speak. So. Oh God, tars again. Why are there so many tars? Well, anyways. Oh, purple. Okay. But before going to check out, like, the box I missed. This is water. That's not water. Well, anyways. Locked treasure pod. Oh. Be gone, hexagon. Oh, well. Run. Ah, his eyes too are green. It's weird. What? I like it. Get skabonk. Oh God, run. Get the tars. Why do I hear a tar here? That's not. Oh, there's no box. It probably just despawned. But anyways, treasure pod. Oh, I'm stuck in a corner. Would have been pretty sad just stuck there. anyways, for what I'm gonna do today, I need chickens. A lot of chickens. Yeah, be gone, hexagon. So, now I'm at the ranch. And, not sure what I want to do. I mean, I got a lot of oka oka. Zzz. It's pretty sick. Hum 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 num. I don't care, I don't really want oka okas. If there's a mod that just makes chickens farmable, like just you can put them in a garden and they'll grow. Put steps to growing a chicken. Put the chicken in a garden, and then it will grow big. What? What do you mean the chicken will grow big in a garden? The hell? Well, this is pretty nice. If I remember correctly, yes, I do. There are chickens that spawn naturally. Come here, chicken. Chickadoo. It's not a chickadoo, it's a hen. But I don't care. I like the term chickadoo, it's cute. Wait, I have a question. If I... If I put everything at low, will there be less grass? No. Okay, that's funny. Well, anyways. Highest. High. High. I mean, when you do this, it changes a bit of grass, but like not that much. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. Wait, I feel like there's less grass. What? I heard the chicken. Um. Oh wait, didn't I get an upgrade last time, or did I buy it? Oh, up all night? Oh, yeah, because, yeah, I was up all night. I just want to know, what's the description of up all night? Six a.m. to 6 a.m. Oh, that's a lot of odd onions, though. Well, anyways, I think I didn't buy it. Oh, yeah, I didn't. I want the power core and the heart module. Did I buy this, or did I not? I don't remember. I did not. Purchase. Oh, chicken. Oh, that's weird. I like the effect, though. It's like kind of eerie. Whoa. There's a hole straight to the sea slime. Slime sea. Not sea slime. My brain is confused at the moment. Oh. Rock. What's that? Well, anyways, rock. Whoa, rock. Oh my god. That's nice, though. Cool. Well, anyways, now that that's done, hmm, pretty nice. Oh, what? Oh, I think that's the lab. Like, there's a secret passage. Huh, another portal. I wonder where it goes. Well, anyways, I'm probably gonna get a coop and a silo, because both are pretty useful. I will need, 700, not 7, yeah, 700. My brain just stopped functioning for a moment there. Did they eat odd onions? Or like, did they not? I don't remember. Oh, nom nom the onions. Yep. But it's not their favorite, I think. Oh yeah, it is their favorite. But I mean, they still eat carrots though. Cannot speak today. Pretty odd. As odd as the onion. This goes here. Oh, water plorts today are hi. Well, it's puddle plorts, but water is better, if you want my opinion. Like, I mean, I'm not the one making it, but chicken. Okay, yeah, that's done. Additional storage. Bong. Oh, crap. Whoa, that's weird. I think I need 2 more. Okay, that's done. And this. Will they just stop eating one day or no? Well, then I'm gonna do the Victor Humphryers quest. Is there not more space? I thought there was more space here. What? Chickadoodle. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go to the wilderness because that's probably the one I'll use the least. For the rest. Except for the chickens. I love the chickens. Wait, do they eat meat? No, they eat veggies, so they're totally inoffensive here. Coral. Coral. I don't know how it's pronounced, but I'm just gonna put this here. Not sure I need much more. Like, they won't do much of an uprising. They're just like 9. Even if they try to, like, they can't do much. Oh! He played catch. What the hell? But anyways, Victor Humphries. Or Humphryers. I'm just gonna say Humphries. It's less complicated. Do. To the back of the grotto. Anyways. Yeah, there. Oh my god, it's so weird. I like the effect though. Well, yeah, that's sick. Oh, tower. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah. I think I need 7. Aw, why? Phew. Why are there nothing? Why is there nothing? Oh, he's pink. It's so cute. I'm just gonna take 7, and for the rocks it was 5. Anyways, oh god, my voice cracked again. That's not very nice. I like the chicken sounds. Don't know why. It's just too perfect. Nope. Well, I'm just gonna wait for Boom Boom Slimes to appear one day. No, you won't become a tar, idiot. Ooh, box. I know someone in the comments has probably been screaming I missed it 20 times. Well, anyways, where's... Rock! I like the big rock. It's nice. Ha. Bonk. Bonk. It's very funny. Bonk. Bonk. I don't know what's funny about it, but it's just too much. Rock chicken. And roostro. I like the roostro. I think I need to sacrifice slimes for more to spawn. Sorry, Bob. 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 I'm just gonna go next to the water pool. Oh, it's the slime sea. Oh god, the tars again. Oh, I almost fell down. I'm so spook. God. Go away, everyone. Need more slimes to spawn. I don't want to be you. I don't want it to be you. Spawns, go away. Ah, will they just stop? Could they just not? I mean, if I remember, which I think I do, I need rock slime. But I can't manage to find them. Whoa, where am I? What the hell? I never came here. I think. Is this Sunflower Island? It was here that I knew I had to leave once again. I had spent the entire day exploring, trying to find my way to this island, and I thought I'd spend the rest of the night walking along the shore in the soft glow of these fire flowers. Fire flowers? I caught myself looking up again and again. Once more, I was looking to the stars. H. Boom Boom Slime! Yay! Boom Boom Slimes! They're here. Oh, crystal, sunflower. Well, fire flower, but I don't care. Nyeh. Are there any Boom Boom Slimes? Need 7. Why are they not... Why are there not any? This is spooking me. Are they going extinct? Or like... Boom Boom Slime! Boom Boom! I need more Boom Boom Slime. I want Boom Boom Slime. Where are Boom Boom... Crystal Gordo? Huh. Okay, he takes the heartbeats, but he doesn't like them. I think the crystal's favorite is the odd onion, no? Well, I know what I'll be doing today. His spiky crystals don't hurt. But little spiky crystals hurt, though. Yeah, definitely logic. Tiny spike, oh yes, very hurt. Big spike, no, not hurt. Where is he? Skabonk. Q-berry. Skabonk. Okay, I need one more. If I don't find him before the quest is finished, I'm gonna be very sad. Oak. Or was this his favorite? I really don't remember. Well, oh, there it is. Okay, I got it. Now I just need a Rocco slime. No, it's not his favorite, sadly. Okay, I just need to get out and find 5 Rocco slime. Where is Rocco slime? Do. Rocco slime. Oh god, I gotta do something interesting. This video will be 5 minutes long soon. 5. I meant 30. How is 30 even close to 5? What? Well, anyways, I know exactly what I want to do, but I, need one more rock slime. Where? I want rock slime. Gimme rock. I want the rock. Where's Dwayne Johnson? Like, for real. What the hell? Why is he not here? Rock. I'm gonna go the other way. Look at this. Something's gonna spawn in. Okay, no. Thanks a lot. Where is rock? Rock, 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 rock. Gimme. Okay, go. Run. To house. Run, run. To house. Because you need to run to house. Or I don't know. I am at rock place in home. Okay, so today what I want to do is explode a few Gordos and open a door. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. Open a door. That. Yep. Open a door. Oh, it was only 3. Anyways. Gonna cry. Run. Why can I not do anything interesting? I really need to. Cause else I'm dead. Cause my video's not gonna get any views. Go, go, go. Well, anyways, oh. Okay. Okay, let's run. Oh, Argonauts. Okay, 3 odd onions and that's not a problemo. 10 heartbeats. What's hasty exchange? Hasty exchange, where is it? Where is it? Okay. Within 2 hours of receiving it. Oh, well, it was 2 seconds. Very speed. Well, anyways, I'm gonna take all the chickadoo. Give me the chickadoos. Not sure I have enough. I think I need 1 more chicken. Okay, I'm gonna hurry up. Because, like, for real, if I don't get any interesting content on this video, there's gonna be a problem, and it won't work out. Well, anyways, let's go run, because I know exactly which, thing I want to pop. Which one it is? It's Bob. Bob that I drew. Just want to be sure he's not vibrating. Well, have a great day, Bob. Skabonked. Skabonked. Well, okay, back to the ranch. I think. Wait, no, I know which door I want to open. It's closer. Run. Everything is gonna be taken during the night. It's not gonna be visible. Evil intensifies. Oh. Ornament. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Aha. Yes. Moss blanket. Like a flower from... Like a flower blooming from a rocky crag, this emerald expanse hints at what could be Yeah, at what could be. It definitely hints at what could be. That, yep, I knew it. It hints at what could be. Mhm. Yep. Yep. Uh-huh. Very. Very what could be. Well, anyways, I need 25 odd onions for I know exactly what. Or I mean, I could also use the carrots with it. Well, anyways, let's just run at light speed, cause else I'm not gonna get any interesting content. I need the content. Run faster, Beatrix. Run faster. So we're here, we go down. That way. Mhm. Very radiation. Oh, box. Oh, hot onion. I didn't know it could. Okay. Yeah. I need all my energy. Okay, I have it. There it is. Well, yeah, okay. Oh, okay, that's my timer. Anyways, wait, 12 would be 24. I need to feed him 26. Okay, this is... Okay, I thought I didn't get it. Okay, yeah. Yep, makes sense. Just look at the tiny slime looking down, just like, what the hell happened? Okay, box. It's funny how I didn't get anything, but I still got things you can only get with stuff. Well, anyways, sorry for Pulu, which didn't want me reading more of the Slimepedia because it's annoying. But guess what I'm gonna do? Read more of the Slimepedia. So, slimes. Today I'm gonna read Rad and Puddle. Yeah, Rad and Puddle. Its radiance makes you so lovely, it makes you sick. It is so... Okay. Diet Veggie's favorite Oka Slimology. It's unknown if rad slime, sometimes called raddies, came to be from external radiation sources or from something natural occurring within the far range. Regardless, rad slimes emit such a potent aura of radiation, they glow in the dark. If a rad slime's radioactive aura can induce rad poisoning in a rancher if they a rad slime's radioactive aura can induce rad poisoning in a rancher if they remain within it for too long. Ranchers are advised to monitor their rad exposure levels when handling these green globs of gamma goo, as extended exposure can cause serious bodily harm. Or worse. What's worse? Like death? Okay, I'm not gonna read the puddle slime. I'm having a too bad time reading. Plordonomics. Given that raddies are basically mobile batteries, it's no surprise that corporations value rad plors for their incredibly energy producing capabilities. Most rad plorts get turned into plutonium, and everything from the latest holophone to a rad wave microcook system runs on this stuff. Yeah, so that's that. I'm just gonna do a small thing. So, well, rest in peace, every goddamn thing ever. Uh, yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Have a great day, and see you later. Or next time, I don't know. Bye bye!